Student perspectives on handwriting. Some might surprise you. A lot of 1st through 4th graders don't know letters are different heights. Given an alphabet strip or letters they can see, they can sort the letters into groups by tall, small, and sinking letters. But remove the visual and ask them to write the correct letters in the correct group, and a lot of them can't do this. The task is way harder than it should be. Some students think that if they write fast, it shows how good they are at the skill. They're proud of being done first or second. Finishing fast is inadvertently rewarded over quality because you get a few minutes of free time or to do something more fun while waiting for others to finish. Fast, careless speed quickly becomes automatic in muscle memory and is a very hard habit to break. Many students believe they don't have to be good at writing because they're going to be professional YouTubers. Yep, for real. I hear this at least twice a month. If they feel this way about writing, they just might feel this way about other learning. I tell them they will get more subscribers and make more money on YouTube if they're good at writing and at school. There are a surprising number of students who can't write all the letters without a model. Because letters are all over classroom walls, it can be hard to know if your students really know how to write them without looking or not. Why does this matter? All writing production is significantly harder if you have to stop mid-thought to find a letter on the wall. A common compensatory strategy for not knowing the lowercase letter is to write the uppercase letter instead. If you see uppercase letters in the middle of words, this might be an indication that the student can't write all the letters from memory or without a model to look at. So often when I ask a student to write a letter a different way, their immediate response is, "I'm doing it how my teacher wants me to." When I ask why they think this, they tell me it's because that is how they write every day in class and it's okay. While this may not be true, it is their perception and something to keep in mind. When you prompt your students to use your best handwriting or write nice, some of them don't know what you really mean. Most students believe they are giving you their best. Using specific cues will help your students know exactly what you want them to do. For example, I expect to see spaces between every word, and make sure all your letters are on the line. No sinkers, no floaters. Some students didn't receive letter writing instruction in kindergarten. Yeah, it may have been provided while they were in the room, but that doesn't mean they got it. Think about the kinder students who spent the first quarter or semester just adjusting to and learning how to do school. Lots of possible reasons. Not interested, refusal, avoidance, anxiety, electronics withdrawal, immature, or just plain young. When letters like A, B, D, and G are made with 2 line strokes, I call this circle stick formation, they can unintentionally turn into different letters when writing demands increase later on. For example, when lowercase a is written as a circle and a line, these 2 things can come apart and turn into an actual O and an L. Or, if lowercase a is made as a circle and a tail, it frequently turns into a perfect Q. You may be letting this slide because you know what they mean, but Johnny's 6th grade teacher may not be so kind. And lastly, kids that have poor handwriting are very aware of this and generally don't feel very good about it. Most of these kids miss some instruction along the way, or they have not had enough practice with feedback to establish solid skills into muscle memory. A little extra support to help them catch up can be a huge self-esteem boost. When we take the time, what extra time, to help them make small gains in legibility, content, quality, fluency, and self-esteem all improve too. Help your students be the best writers they can be. For more tips on how to make your handwriting instruction even more amazing, please like and subscribe.